Hello everyone. We're going to start a new topic, and here we will discuss how to create a new table under a specific database. Create table command creates a new table under or in a specific database. Let's try to understand this with example. We have a database and its name is db underscore name, and under this we would like to create a table, and the table name is table underscore name, and it has three columns: column 1, column 2, and column 3. And in column 1, let's say we are holding some kind of data, and these are IDs, let's say student IDs, and their name is Aston, Bob, and let's say Dave, and their age, I will say 21, 22, and 23. The next question is that how we'll create this table using SQL. Let's try to understand using the syntax. Very first thing we will do, we'll try to select our database using use command. So here you selected our database, and now we'll write next SQL statements, and there you will say create a table, and its table name is table underscore name. And now you like to mention a column 1 and the data type, what kind of data type it's holding. So here it's holding, let's say, integer data, right, in first column, so you'll write integer. And then the size, if it has a size, how much is the maximum size. And then constraint type, in this column or on this column, what kind of constraint you want to apply. I will say not null. I do not want any null values in this column, so I applied constraint not null, right? For column 2, which in this column we are holding the names, right? So I will say column 2, and the data type is, let's say, character, and the size is how much is the maximum character it will hold, right? I will say, let's say, 50, and then constraint type, I will say all the names should be unique, right? So we'll say here unique, right? So similarly we can apply the constraint for the column number 3. So data type, size, and constraint type, what are these? These are the column attributes, right? We do not need to worry about these right now, because in upcoming lectures we will study each of them in detail. I think that's all for this slide. In next slides we will go through each column attribute in detail. Thank you. Have a great day.